Michael, how do we use a Sirocco fan? I'm glad you asked. This is our Sirocco handover tutorial video. Today in our Sirocco handover tutorial video, we're going to run you through the do's and don'ts. So, do, get nice and cool. You press 1, 2, 3. The bottom switch is your fan speed. You have off. You have 1, 2, 3. So that's your cooling speed. Then you have 3, 6, 9, 12. See the blue light? It symbolizes 3 hours. So in 12 hours, this will automatically turn off. That's off. So how do you change the direction? You don't just grab it and yank it, because that's a bad time. You grab, pull down, that releases a spring. You can then move it around and you put it to your direction. It also has on switches on the other side which mimic the front switches. So if I'm not touching there, I'm touching the back end, which is a 3-switch system. Do not do this and leave it like that as you drive, because it will do this, which will break it. Never a good time. The Sirocco fans are an incredibly easy to use unit. If they require replacement, it's literally 2 removals of a screw. You push up, undo 2 little nuts, and it's as easy as that. They're a fantastic unit. There's brushless fans available for these, but in my honest opinion, you don't really get much more for it. They're a fantastic unit. We have very little warranty on the Sirocco fans. As long as you look after them, you're gentle with them, and you treat them with a bit of respect. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Catch us on the next one. Like and subscribe. Hang in there, guys. Thank you.